Welcome to Grizld Outdoors. Today we're doing a cooking video. I am making some venison cream cheese egg roll wraps. They're a perfect appetizer for the big game or for a party with friends. We got them teamed up with a little bit of sour cream and they are just fantastic. We'll have the full recipe posted in the link below. And if you like the content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and enjoy the video. Thanks. All right, I got my jalapeno here. We're gonna get it roasted up on my griddle. We'll get that nice and hot. All right, I believe that is as done as I want it. I'm going to take that off. Set it there. I'm going to let that rest a minute to cool down before I chop it up. All right, my pepper's roasted up. It's resting. Now I want to roast my corn. And to do that, I'm going to put it in my cast iron skillet and put it under my broiler in the oven. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in the bottom of the skillet just because corn has a lot of sugar and I don't want this to stick too badly. I got 1 cup of corn, just dump it in there. Spread it around. Put that under the broiler and let that go for a few minutes. Alright, my corn is in the oven and getting roasted. While that's doing that, I'm going to chop up my jalapeno. I'm just going to cap it, slice it down, open it up, scrape out the seeds and the wax. And then I'm just going to dice it up fairly small. Alright, our corn is roasted up, so we're going to take that out. And I'm going to put my jalapeno and my chopped green onions right in there. Turn that on and let them sweat with each other for a few minutes. Peppers, onions, and corn are all cooking together in the skillet there. I'm going to add in the meat. Today I'm using canned venison. You can use pretty much whatever meat you want for this. I've used ham, I've used bacon, I'm sure you could use shrimp or chicken, but today it's going to be venison, so we'll get that in there. Now the canned venison has quite a bit of water in it, so we're going to need to let that cook out. Otherwise our filling for our wraps will be really soupy, and we don't want that. We want something that's going to hold together and be really solid that you don't have to worry about dripping all over the place. I think I've cooked about all the moisture out of there that I'm going to. So I'm going to remove this from the heat, and then I'm going to let it cool off to room temperature. For the rest of the filling that we're going to be mixing in with the meat and peppers and corn and onions, we have cream cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, I have chili powder, smoked paprika and cumin, and then minced garlic. Remember, if you're not making a mess, you're not doing it right. Okay, the cream cheese part of our mixture is stirred together fairly well. Now I'm going to add the meat part. Dump that right in there. And just mix that in. And there we have our delicious meat and cheese filling for our venison cream cheese egg roll wraps. Now it is time to fill our egg roll wraps. These are pre-made, bought from the store. They work great. All we do, we just take one of them at a time, lay it out, put in the filling, spoon it in, spread it out a little bit. Then I just fold this all the way over like that, roll it, tuck the ends in, put a little bit of water on this tag end, and then finish rolling it up. Nice little packet just like that. Set it off to the side. Do the next one. So I've got a number of these ready. I'm going to put them in the freezer for a little bit just to let them set up a little bit more, and that'll help them during the frying process as well. The oil is ready. We're going to get these in the fryer and get them fried up. Right, there we go, a nice golden brown on there. we go. Set them on our paper towel to drain off some of the grease. Then you want to let them cool probably for about 10 minutes before you actually try to eat them, otherwise they are really hot. All right, now if you're serving these for a party, just for presentation purposes, all I do, I cut them on a bias, cut right through, just like that. Stack them up however you like. Also makes it seem like there's more than they are. And just like that, venison cream cheese egg roll wraps. Everyone will love them.